Today I'm doing a review of a universal U-lock mount made by a Canadian company from Vancouver, British Columbia, called Lockrockit, and this is it. This thing here, it's very simple, very rigid, very easy to use. I really love it, and it's very intuitive. Only takes a few minutes to get on, about 5 minutes to get on, and it's pretty cheap. It's $29.95 US for one. You get a discount, it goes down to like $24.95 for more than one, and over free you get it for $23.95. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I got my previous bike stolen, so I bought exactly the same model, and I decided to upgrade my security. I used to have a cheap cable lock, and I didn't use it well. I wasn't using it when I got stolen. That was my fault. And yeah, this is my commute, and that's somebody else commuting along the same way. We're on Waiheke Island in New Zealand. It's half an hour from central city Auckland. You can catch the ferry. It's about 35 minutes. And this place is called the Esplanade. If you want to find it on Google Earth. Yeah, I love commuting this way. This is the scenic route. And yeah, so if you want to improve the security on your bike, you don't even notice it. It's sort of like at the center of gravity, because you think about it, your body mass is about here, and the bike's a lot lighter than your body, even if it is an e-bike. And so the lock I got was the Abus Granit X Plus. That's the reason why you should get it, is because the U-lock brackets that come with U-locks are almost universally pretty terrible. They're flimsy, they move around, they're not very robust, and they don't put the lock in. They don't put the lock in a proper place on the bike. That you definitely notice that. You definitely notice that I've got an Abus lock mount mounted on another bike, and yeah, it's nowhere near as good as this. So, and this will fit bigger locks. So that's the Abus 540 X Plus. So this will fit like a Kryptonite M18 New York, or the new Hiplock D1000, or the Abus 59 Granite Extreme. So yeah, this is I'm super impressed. And if you're going to buy a U-lock, this is what you should get. I'll just have a look at my commute. We'll just go for a ride along here. This is the scenic route on the way to work. I work at a place called Ostend, and I catch the ferry at a place called Martetia. Oh, here we go. Right, there's a car coming. pretty heavy drive today. Also, I might as well make a review of the Abus 540 X Plus Granit X Plus 540. So far, it's a great lock. I mean, nobody's tried to steal the bike, but yeah, I really like that as well. But I don't like the mount for it. The mount is mediocre. You know, I can't believe somebody didn't make something like this before. It's so simple, so rugged. One thing about this is that when you need pliers, a pair of pliers and an Allen key. Here we go. We need pliers and a pair of Allen key to screw it on. And after about a week, there was a little bit of play. So just tightening up after that initial sort of like settling in period. And after that, it's been sweet. And I'll leave a link in the description for both Lockrockit and maybe Abus. But I really think you should support this company. Here we go. This is the first time I've sat here. That's my bike. If you've seen my other videos, that's a bike I'm riding. A giant quickie. Okay, I better get going, otherwise I'll miss my ferry on the way home. Well, check it out if you need to upgrade your security. And the other thing I like about it is it frees up your bottle holder. You could fit like a Abus Bordeaux, a link, folding link lock on the front if you wanted to. So yeah, okay. Well, that's it for today. I'll just better get going to the ferry.